today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys a holiday decorate with me. I'm just gonna share with you guys some of the stuff that I use to decorate my apartment. Everything that I found was from JCPenney, so a huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. They actually had some super cute clothing for this time of year as well. I picked up this little sweater and I seriously have like not taken it off since I got it. I'm a huge fan of like corduroy, but you know how usually corduroy can be like really stiff? This is like super stretchy and it's so comfortable. So I will have this link down below along with everything else that I used in today's video. So be sure to check that out. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I already went ahead and cleaned out and prepped everything for my holiday decor. I did get a lot of questions on what I do with my decor after the season's over. I kind of limit myself to only purchasing what will fit into one storage bin, and I am lucky enough to have a storage closet in this apartment, so I just put it in there when I'm not using it. So the first thing I went ahead and added to my media console was just this wood beaded garland. It was super good quality. I love the different tones in the wood, and I got super lucky that this fit my media console exactly. And with the little hoops on each edge, I just draped them into the actual furniture piece and it stays up really nicely. So this was like the first item I saw when I was shopping online, and I immediately knew that I had to have this Santa Claus. I just thought he was super cute. He has a little wine glass and a wine bottle, and it says the best wines are the ones we drink with friends. He has that little sign, and I just love like the quality of his outfit and everything. The attention to detail on this is so nice, and for how tall it is, I think the price was really good. I definitely didn't want to go too overboard, so on this side I kept things pretty simple again. I'm just adding this tree that I found. I initially like love the wood base to it, but it's like super sparkly, and again it's kind of neutral. And then I'm adding in this piece that I thought was great, and this is like a good piece to have. It's a little trinket box, so you can put candy in it, or you can use it to store different things. I just think it's like really versatile, and I'll definitely be able to use it for like years to come. And then lastly, I did go ahead and add in this little pine candle. Once you light it, it like crackles as it burns. I'll show you guys in a little clip. And on top of that, it actually illuminates here once it is lit up, and it just smells exactly like a Christmas tree. I love this particular brand of candle. It's one of my favorites. So far it's already looking so festive. However, that middle part of my console, I like to have something there just to kind of hide the Apple TV and the TV stand. I really don't like the way it looks, and I found just the perfect option. Also, if you had a fireplace, this is like the perfect thing to add to a fireplace mantle or a coffee table. You can use it in so many different ways. So this piece is actually meant to be an LED candle holder, but if I put the candles where they're supposed to be, they would block my TV. So I'm loving the fact that the candle holders are right here. They're black, so you can't really see them that much. I think it acts as a nice decor piece, and as I mentioned, if you have a place where you can put it to put candles on it, the LED ones, it would be amazing, especially for like a holiday dinner. I think this would make an amazing centerpiece. You can use it in so many different ways. That's why I definitely knew I wanted to pick it up, because if I decide to not have it here, I can put it so many other places. So far, I love the way that all of this is looking. It's very festive, but still very minimal, so it matches with my style. One thing that I love for the holidays is different types of lighting, and I found these super awesome LED branches that will definitely look amazing. So I'm actually going to be adding in these LED branches to this gold floor base. I did already have the vase, but I definitely knew I wanted to fill it with something. These are super simple. They just have this small battery pack that you can actually put on a timer, which I was super shocked because these were really affordable, and the fact that they also have a timer is awesome. So this color in particular is like a brown branch. It has the faux greenery on it, as well as some pine cones with a little bit of frost to make it look like snow. They did have one that looked like this, but it had like really colorful lights on it. So if that's more your style, would recommend. And then I also got these like just little white branches with the small tiny lights on them. So I'm just gonna kind of add both of those in together to just create, like I said, a little bit of lighting. And then on top of that, to me, it just adds so much to the little vase. I'm not sure if you guys are able to hear it, but the candle is crackling and it just makes me feel like there's a fireplace on in here, and it is such a cozy vibe. I love it. So I think I'm done with this side of the living room. I love the way it turned out. I just want to add a few more finishing touches to this space to kind of tie everything in. So this silver piece is what is actually normally on my TV console. So I just moved it over here, but it definitely needed some spicing up, and I found this little gnome decoration, and immediately when I saw it, I was like, I definitely need to pick this up. My favorite thing about it is it actually is a bean bag at the bottom. So wherever you place it, he actually stays in place. Usually with these, you have to worry about them rolling all over the place, and again, super affordable option. I did find some amazing Christmas ornaments that I'm just going to place in here just to kind of spice up the coffee table a little bit. They actually had these 60-piece ornament sets in all different colors, so whatever you decide your color to be for this season, they have something for you to pick up. But I really liked this one with the gold and the silver. I loved the little minimal designs on it. It had a little bit of glitter, but not too much. So I'm gonna use some of these and just fill that little platter in. These ornaments would definitely look like beautiful on someone's tree. I'm debating on if this season I want to get a real tree, just like a small one. Let me know in the comments down below if you think I should. I just never really got one since I moved out, not a real one at least, and I kind of really want to try it out and see if I would like it or not. So if you live in an apartment and you've had one before, let me know in the comments down below. So it's something I've been thinking about, and absolutely just love how cute this looks with the little gnome in the middle. I actually have so many of the ornaments left that I'm gonna use them for another decor piece that I'm creating. So definitely a good option to get this whole little thing because you can use it in different areas of your house. When it came down to my couch, I felt like the pillows I already currently had were super festive already. They have a lot of texture to them. They're neutrals with greens. So I didn't want to overpower them, but I did find this one pillow at JCPenney that I absolutely had to have. And I thought that just this pillow alone being added to my couch would add so much and just be the perfect pop of like Christmas to the couch, and I wouldn't have to like go super crazy with the pillows, but they had a great selection of pillows if you're in the market for some holiday pillows. I was really unsure what I wanted to put on this side table next to my couch, but one of the first pieces that I saw from the JCPenney holiday collection was this beautiful wood bowl with the handles on it, and I was like, this is the piece. It needs to be sitting on my side table, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it with ornaments. That was my vision for it, so I hope it looks good. We're gonna go ahead and add in the ornaments right now. And of course, if you are having a holiday party this season, this is like the perfect serving bowl for any party, and you definitely need to pick it up. I'm so curious to know what your favorite item was from today's video, so let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you guys would like to see this same video but as a bedroom makeover for the holidays, let me know in the comments down below also. So I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday apartment makeover video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Again, a huge thank you to JCPenney for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!